what time it is?
Does everybody know what time it is? Does everybody know what time it is?
Today I have a garden tool to show you. It is the weed puller.
Absolutely marvelous.
Now this is mainly for a particular type of weed. They are the root tap weeds, and they're the ones that grow particularly in lawns but also in the gardens. They're very flat, and the way they grow is with one long root called the taproot, and very hard to dig out with a spade or just pulling out with your hands. So that's where this tool comes in very handy. Basically easy to use. Find the weed, press down, twist, pull, and there we go. Just fire that away and put that out in the green bin. You're good to go. You will have a hole in the lawn or in the garden, so just make sure you fill that in with potting mix, and then you can just carry on with the next weed. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.
Absolutely marvelous.